Today we're going to try something on the channel never before seen by the world. Abby and I will attempt to fly an RC jet alongside a baby girl. Fingers crossed, please, right now, that she's just good and quiet and we can get through the video and share this experience with you guys. This is an awesome jet. We did a maiden video on it very recently on the channel. We had a really good time doing so. I just wanted to do a follow-up with you guys, put a few more packs through it, let you see it flying a little bit more. It's one of the cheapest brushless EDFs on the market, and it flew on rails, and that was a maiden. I'm excited to see it in the air. I think Amelia is too. I know everyone watching is. Let's fly. Amelia, you ready?
She's eating snacks. Woohoo! Whoa!
Could've used a little more throttle.
You did good.
All right, flying and walking. Well, normally Amelia is up here hanging out in the car with us or taking a nap while we do our videos. Today she just wasn't having it, so we thought we would get her out and see how she did hanging out with us. Eventually that's gonna happen, right?
Yes.
So, you doing all right, kiddo? Good, because the jet is doing amazing. This is a 3S 50mm jet with 11 bladed prop, and it flies on rails. That's hands-free, and I don't have any special, you know, receiver in there or anything. It's just flying perfect. It's just bank and yank. You don't have rudder, and that's where you're probably saving some of your money and the size of this. The funny thing is you don't miss rudder on this at all. What's wrong, kiddo? You drop a cereal snack?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll get it later. So I don't miss rudder, and I have flown bank and yank planes before, and they feel like they're just missing something. They fly squirrely, especially the size and the price. This one feels like, I don't know, it feels like it's all there. You don't feel like you're missing out on anything, even though you are a little bit. The best part about it is the price. If you want to try flying an EDF and you just don't have the budget for like smart technology and stuff, this is an awesome option for you. It's a very nice quality product with part availability and customer service. It's an American-based company. I mean, I'm pretty happy with Arrows so far. The distributor, at least, is an American-based company, and that's, in America, kind of as good as it gets. You know, we don't have people making these foam planes left and right. A lot of it's done overseas. So there's a lot of reasons to support this company, and if you want to kind of test the waters for, so far, the cheapest thing I've been able to find, this would be the route to go. It went together in about 10 minutes. I talked about this in the maiden, but there's 4 screws that hold the main wing on, included of course, and just a little bit of glue for the tail. Flies really well. I want to shut up and let you guys hear a nice quiet pass. Well, there you go. Runs in the sailor family. If I'm not talking, someone has to be. My LiPo alarm apparently doesn't like full throttle passes. It did that on the maiden too, so.
Whoa, that was a sharp turn.
Yeah.
That's fast.
I feel really confident with this thing. It just flies really well. We're probably gonna have to land soon. Guys, keep in mind, I am flying on some really old batteries. These things are like 5 or 6 years old now, but I like putting them through their paces. And on an EDF, it might be about time to put these in the recycle bin. But if I was flying something like a bush plane, they give me about a
You're so distracted by her.
It's hard to talk over the baby.
You're not used to having to talk over somebody.
I'm just gonna let you narrate the rest of this video, kiddo.
They probably can like barely hear.
This thing just likes to cruise. What are you doing, Abby?
Well, from where I have sticky on my lens, I have to keep my lens wet. So I'm wiping it with a wipe right now so it doesn't squeak.
We have such...
I'm ordering it. It's
okay,
ordered.
it's fine. we have really strong dedication to not only the hobby, but our channel. We don't let things stop us from putting the videos out unless it really, really is. If there's a day there's not a video on our channel released, we were having a really bad day.
That's
Just
not always true.
Well, or just...
But occasionally that is true.
Yes. And, you know, we've got Amelia out here sitting by Death Valley with us to get the plane video done. Our lens is squeaking, but we are keeping it wet with some baby wipes so that it doesn't squeak. We found a temporary solution. All right, we're gonna wait for that LiPo alarm to go off. I want to put another battery in the air for you guys today, but with the kiddo, that may not be the case. We'll see, we'll see. Amelia, you think Daddy can land this nice and smooth on the next pass? What do you think, baby girl? We gotta land it, battery's low. We're gonna come in for a landing, no flaps. I don't fly with any expo or anything like that. No rates, no dual rates. Here we go. Watch the airplane, baby girl. Nice.
It does a really good job.
I love this little jet.
You did a good job too, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, did you lose your snacks?
Well, I was going to put a second pack through today for you guys on the follow-up flight, but I think you get the overall idea. This thing flies so well and on rails, and the more I fly it, the quicker I find myself banking and yanking and pulling really sharp, tight turns. You don't need a lot of space to fly this. It's a really good taste of what flying an EDF is like, although it's a little bit slower than the larger EDFs I've flown, but that's primarily because it's flying on a 3S pack, which is nice. You don't need to go out. Most guys, when they start flying, they pick out a whole fleet of planes that fly on 3S. This, you won't have to buy new batteries for. You can use your existing 3S packs. It is recommended that you fly on a 1300 milliamp, but I'm flying on an 1800 milliamp, no problem. I like the longer flight time. Well, this little guy will be linked in the description box below. I do give it 2 solid thumbs up for what it is. At the price, there's not a lot of competition on the market, and this is just absolutely perfect. If we have a promo code for you, it will be down by the link. A lot of times we do. If you want to save 5 or 10 bucks, click our link, use the promo code. Regardless, even at full price, this thing is amazing. Well, I want to say a huge thanks to the big guy upstairs for letting the kiddo come out and just enjoy this flight with you guys. I know a lot of you have been asking about Amelia. Well, she made it into this video. It's just one of the best family hobbies out there. Abby and I love getting the trucks out. Amelia, we went to the park the other day, got a couple hot dogs at a local place, and we opened the hatch of the car, and we all sat back there and drove 2 little crawlers together and just ate our hot dogs. It was a really nice day. It's just a really good family hobby, and I'm so happy for that. To all of our Patreon supporters, I say thank you, thank you, thank you. You really mean the world to us. I don't know if we get that across enough, but we couldn't do our channel without you guys. You really are amazing. Amelia says thanks too. She loves playing with the stickers. We got to get some stickers out to you guys, and we will soon. If you guys... Did you catch the burp?
I mean, it was filming. I don't know if it showed up on the mic though. You're funny.
She's rotten. Guys, I think maybe we'll just link the maiden flight of this video that's popping up right about now. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you there.
You being a goober?
Good job, baby. Good
Are
job.
you being funny? What you eating? Are you snacking?
Daddy.
Who's an Addie? What about Mama? Dada? Say hi. Hi.
Mama.
Hi, Mama.